Okay, so this coat, it's missing the slider. I found one, and I'm just going to quickly put it in, just to show how quickly it can be put in. So this doesn't have a thing to put your zip in, so look, I'm just taking the top part out, which is really hard to probably see, but I've taken it out. So before you put all that in, always have a look to see if the zip fits on the other side, because this side is always going to be harder. So put that in there, it fits in fine. So slide it in. Brilliant. Okay, that's one part done. Now we've got these, but if you don't have them, then you'll have to look for them on another piece of clothing. All I do is I've got these cutters here. I've lost it. Try not to lose them. Boom, there you go. That holds the zip in place. I'm just gonna, so it matches the colour. It's just a marker. There you go. Just so it blends in more. And that's it. Yeah. That's that done then. Boom.